Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Marble Snap game using your Google account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you can proceed with your game by tapping on the play button from the home page. If you wish to log in using your Google account, then from this page tap on the gear icon at the top left corner and this will take you into the settings page. Within this page, scroll down and underneath link account you will see the sign in with Google button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to select your Google account from the list of accounts that you have logged in on your device. Choose the account with which you have your previous saved game, or if you don't have an account previously, you can choose any account and you will be taken through the sign up process. Once you proceed with your account, you will be logged back in and all of your previous progress will be recovered if you have any. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to the Marble Snap game using your Google account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.